So this is my Arduino emergency lighting system, but this time, it's in a Cicada shell. Because where else would an LED go? It's lightweight, biodegradable, and emotionally questionable. The circuit setup is pretty simple. I got my LED and battery backup connected to the relay, the normally closed terminal, so that in the normal state, or the off state for the relay, it turns this LED on. And the Arduino keeps it out of the normal state until the power goes out and the Arduino can't power the relay. To simulate a power outage and test my circuit, I'm going to climb under the table and turn off the power strip, powering the light and the Arduino. Or the Raspberry Pi powering the Arduino. 3, 2, 1. Power's out. The backup lighting is on. So now if a hurricane or severe thunderstorm hits, I'm going to be prepared. This thing will help me find my way through the house. Or a small room. Half of a small room. Now let's fix the power. Or just flip a switch on a power strip. Power restored. Stays on a little bit because of the Raspberry Pi booting. It doesn't power the Arduino until a little bit later. Like that. And it went off again. The Raspberry Pi has kind of a weird boot sequence. I think now it's on permanently.